So bro, you meet with this girl, you are in a talking stage, you both text or call each other on every single day. She likes you, you like her. But the moment you express your feeling, she disappears from your life. She acts disinterested. She thinks you are so rude that you express your feeling. You feel guilty that why you are expressing your feeling. And she put you in a friend zone. And there, mostly guys make the mistake that they confess their feeling with the girl they think they like and she like them. And this is not the problem. This is a psychological trick that I am going to show you in a minute, like what girls thinks about you when you confess your feeling and why she say no to you even if she likes you, right? And I will give you the tips, like if you have confessed your feeling, how to reattract her again even if she is disinterested. So if you are new to this channel, hit like and subscribe button and follow this channel, because I am a self-improvement coach. I will solve all your problem. Let's start the video, bro. Number 1, they confess their feeling too early. They think that their love level is this and her level is same as this. But you don't know, she is just figuring out whether you are the right guy for her or not. But you are here right now in love. She can't able to match it if you confess your feeling too early, bro. So that's why she resists and make you unstable by telling no to you on your face. And you think she is acting interested, but she is able to figure out. Because the way of love by a girl to a man is different than us. You're feeling too early. She's trying to figure it out in her mind that whether you are the right guy for her, whether you are loyal, whether you are having an options guy, right? So that's why you feeling very desperate in front of her, that when you confess your feeling too early and she thinks that you don't have any options, she is the only girl in your life, that's you are trying to figure it out and only one girl you got and you just confess your feeling. So this is number 1 reason you have to stop it from never confess your feeling too early even if she confess you. You remove the mystery. She suddenly knows she have you, because before the confession, you are the guy that made her attraction in her mind, that you like her or not. Because you ignore her, you are busy in your work, you go to the gym, right? You hang out with another girls, you hang out with your friend. But when she come in your life, you think she is the only girl and you make her all your attention and all your priority. And if she thinks she is the number 1 priority in your life, then she will pull back and reclaim his decision whether I am the only good thing in his life or not. So that's why she pulls away and she acts disinterested, because now the mystery is over. You confess her, I like you, I love you. The mystery is over in her mind. The attraction dies because she know the fact, and when she knows she have 100% you, she left you, bro. Because that's the way you never have to confess your feeling to the girl. Let her come to you, right? So always busy in your work, always do the things which you want to do. Never leave your friend's plan for her. Never leave your group discussion for her, right? Last, your confession came from the insecurity. She find out your neediness, that why you are confessing your feeling to her, because you are too scared to her. You think another guy will take away from you, right? She will go to another guy. She will lose interest in you. She wants desperate and neediness, and their girls will detect, because he has the sixth sense. Because if you just confess your feeling out of insecurities and avoid all her bad habits, that she's going to disrespect you, she's going to blame you, she's never satisfy you in any of the term in talking, whether it's anything, and disobey you also. So she thinks you're just confessing her because you want her, you need her, right? And when the moment she realized that you need her, you lost her, bro. So never do this mistake, bro. And that's the only reason. These 3 reasons make you the girl act disinterested in you. And the key tips for you guys, if you have confessed your feeling and she act disinterested, so now mostly guys will do the mistake what people are doing right now. So they will try to confess more and more. They will try to buy her a gift. They will try to change her mind. So all these things make her acting more disinterested. These pull technique, that if you are trying to pull her too much, she thinks that you are acting, that you still have not any option, and her no is better than that, right? She thinks that it's her right decision that she say no to you. So what you guys have to do, you guys have to act disinterested also. You guys have to ignore her calls, ignore her texts, because she try to friend zone you, bro. And when she try to friend zone you, she thinks that you are that low value guy. Even if she rejected you, you still have her, right? So that's the moment you lose disrespect. You have to act disinterested. You have to ignore her. You have to explore other options. You have to improve your life in terms of your goals. Have to hit the gym. Try and approach another girls, because there is not only one girl in this planet. There are plenty of options. Keep your mindset abundance. Read books. Work on yourself. Work on the better version of yourself. And if you do this, you guys become unforgettable in her life, and she will come back you. Because the last thing you have to do after you messed up all the things, never do anything, nothing. You don't have to do anything. That's the way you attract her again. And if you like this video, bro, just hit the like and subscribe button and follow me. See you, bye.